He's the hardest working person I know, and he makes me a better person. I kind of am gonna cry.
I'm gonna cry.
It is true.
We are gathered here surrounded by the beauty of creation and nurtured by the sights and sounds of nature to celebrate Baili and Justin's wedding.
May your years be full of happiness and love. Every once in a while, you find two people who meet and you know it's meant to be. The stars have aligned, they're perfect for each other. You just can't imagine your life without them. Well, that was Baili and I when we met in college our freshman year. Over the years, we've laughed together, we've cried together. We've traveled the world and had so many amazing memories. Today is another great memory we can add to our collection.
The first story I know about my brother and I's relationship was when he first got home from the hospital, and him only being a few days old, I could already tell he's taken all the attention away that I had gotten the previous 2 years being the only child. The first chance I got that my parents weren't glancing at him, I pulled him off my parents' bed onto his head. I wanted to make sure that he knew this was going to be the longest 16 years of his life.
Just recently, Baili showed me a love letter Justin once wrote her when they first started dating. Yep, you heard me correctly. Justin Miller wrote Baili a love letter. Justin, I'll save you the embarrassment with reading it, but I did want to take a piece of it. He states, "No girl I've ever met can compare to you." And Justin, I have to agree with you.
I'm so happy Justin found you though, Baili. Couldn't possibly have imagined him without you. Thank you for all the patience you've shown him in the last 12 years. Because I'm sure in those 16 years I was with him, I didn't show him much patience at all. I wish you guys nothing but the best and can't wait to see what the future holds for you two. Maybe be holding a nephew or niece in 9 months.
Justin and Baili, you've come here today of your own free will and in the presence of your family and friends, and you've declared your love and commitment to each other. You've given and received rings as symbols of your promises. By the power of your love and commitment to each other and by the power vested in me, I now pronounce you to be husband and wife. You may now share your first kiss as husband and wife. I'm going to stand over here while you do. Friends and family, I now present to you the newly married couple. Let's hear it for them.